guys, so Merry Christmas. I don't even know if I can say that now because we're filming it the day after Christmas, but I had an interesting week. I will hopefully talk about it more on my vlog channel, so if you guys want to know about how my week went, then go ahead and subscribe to my vlog channel. I have it linked down below. But I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'm just going to be filming the traditional Christmas haul, as you can tell by the title, I'm sure, and probably the reason you clicked on this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So really quick, super thankful for everything that I got, and also I already had to film this video. This will be time number 2. The first time I filmed it, apparently it was on manual focus, not autofocus, and here we are again. So everything's on hangers, unfortunately, because I already hung my clothes up and stuff, so let's get into this. So this first thing is from American Eagle, and it's just this camo sweater. You're gonna see a theme throughout this clothing portion of my Christmas haul because everything's comfy. So this is the first thing. It's just a camo sweater, really comfy. As I said, there's going to be a humongous theme. I also got this sweater. This is actually from Kohl's, and it's just like a burgundy color with like a grayish white stripes on, with grayish white stripes on the sleeves, and kind of on the neck line as well. I also have a black one of these, only it's black with like a grayish white stripe as well, or stripes, sorry. And then I also got this army green, I think it'd be army green jacket. It's got like sweater style type sleeves, a really fuzzy hood, and yeah, it's just a zipper button up, got pockets and stuff. So yeah, really like this. Really excited to wear it. So I got that, and that is what I got from my parents. And then I also got this Apple Watch, which I really like. If you guys want me to do a more in-depth video on my Apple Watch, I'd be more than happy to, so just let me know in the comments below. And then also for my parents, I guess I got these as well. I got these slippers. These are from Maurice's, and I honestly think you could probably wear these out. They have like soles on the bottom, but I just got them because my feet get cold down here, so I'm gonna be wearing them around my little apartment, aka my parents' basement. For my cousin, she got me this Flash t-shirt. It's just a burgundy t-shirt, super soft, and it's just got the Flash logo on the front. She also got me this mug that has my initial on it. So yeah, this mug is just super cute. I actually have not bought a single mug for myself. I've gotten all of them as either birthday gifts or Christmas presents, and I literally have like 6 mugs now. My other friend got me this, and it says Fur Mama on it. Thought it was super cute, and again, another mug. And then inside that was also like a little hedgehog stuffed animal that's a toy for your dog. So Luna has that, and Luna got a lot of dog treats and different things like that for Christmas, so she is stocked up and ready to go for 2019. And then my other friend got me this sweatshirt. It's got stars on it and it just says "Coffee gets me started and Jesus keeps me going." It's such a comfy sweatshirt, guys. Like, honestly, comfy is life. Comfy clothes, love them. So this is what she got me, and then she also got me another shirt, but I didn't get it for this video, so yeah, it's just a burgundy long sleeve shirt. So my grandparents got me money along with these American Eagle shoes, which I am in love with. They're sparkly, and if I didn't already say this, they're from American Eagle. I think I said that, but they are really cute, and they're actually really comfortable too, so I'm really excited to wear those. I also got the outfit that I'm currently wearing, so this fox shirt, which kind of looks like Luna, to be honest, and I don't know if it's weird that I'm talking and like you can't see my face, but this is just the shirt. It's just got like mustard yellow 3/4 length sleeves, and it's got a fox on it. Again, kind of looks like Luna, so that's cool. And then I also got these camo jeggings. Super cute and actually really comfortable. So the shirt is from Maurice's, and then the pants are from Kohl's. So thank you to everyone that got me something. I know I have some friends that we still haven't exchanged presents yet, but I'm really excited to do that and to finish giving out my gifts. And yeah, I'm sorry that this video is up kind of late. I know a lot of people get them up on Christmas, but again, you'll find on my vlog channel what happened there and everything, because I tried to do Vlogmas, but this week has just been a little much. So I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and a wonderful holiday season, and I look forward to seeing you guys with a new video next Friday, which it'll be officially 2019 by then. So I hope that you guys have a happy new year, and I'll see you guys super soon. Bye guys!